$129. Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel. I just finished getting ready for the day real quick. Here is the outfit. Plain black bodysuit. This is from Zara. Jacket, Zara. My little flare leggings. H&M. Got my little purse. And I think I'm just about to throw on my panda dunks. But some cute, some simple. Oh, before I forget, I literally almost left the house. And I would have been upset if I forgot this. But I have some boots here that I got from Aldo. My sister ended up finding like some very similar, like almost the same boot at Winners. My boots, I got them on sale, but they were $145, and she found almost the exact same ones for $70. So we went back to the same Winners that she went to go find them, but they only had a 7.5 and I need a size 8. So now we're about to go to a different Winners to see if they have the boots there, and if they do, then I'm just gonna go return these. But anyways, let's go to the mall. Okay, the lighting is bad, so I have to talk to you guys down here. But we just made it to the mall. Hopefully they have the boots. Also, it's so cold outside today. My car says it's 1 degree outside. Like, I'm not a fan of that. Anyways, let's go into the mall. Here are the boots. Are these the boots? I don't know if it has this on the back, but I think these are the boots. Size 8. Okay, let me try these on real quick. Is this the same one? Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, I think these are the boots. Let me try one on. Wait, how much are these? There's no tag on it. How much is it? $129. This is not the boot. Wait, this isn't it. They were $70. Wait, where is it? Hold on. Let me try to find this boot. Excuse the lighting. I didn't end up finding the cheaper boots at Winners, so I still have my original Aldo boots. But now we're at the dollar store. I am in the process of planning and prepping for Vlogmas. It's my first time ever doing Vlogmas, so we'll see how this goes. I'm excited, a little nervous, but yeah, we're doing Vlogmas, so subscribe, stay tuned. But yeah, we're at the dollar store because I want to get a Santa hat for my little Vlogmas intro because I need to film that so that it's ready for Vlogmas, and possibly some garland as well to go with the decor for my room. So yeah, let's go look for that.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I say, oh, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around.
Okay, so I found some garland, and then here are the Santa hats. I don't know which one I want. They don't have the same one that I saw last time I was here. That was just like this, but instead of lights it just said Merry Christmas. But I don't know, do I just get it or do I go to a different dollar store again? Okay. Back home. As you saw, I came home to some packages. We are gonna open this Aritzia package together real quick. This Amazon package, I'm pretty sure this all has to do with room decor, which has to do with Vlogmas. So if you watch my Vlogmas, then you'll figure out what's in this box eventually. And then so does all the stuff I got at Dollarama, but I'll just show you this since it's not in a box. So I got one pack of garland. We got some lights to put in the garland, and we got the Santa hat for the Vlogmas intro. I ended up going with this one because I saw this and I'm like, what the heck is that sticking out of the hat? It's a button. You wanna know why? Because the hat lights up. So I just had to get this one. I had to. Anyways, moving on to the Aritzia package. This is my first time ever ordering anything from Aritzia. I have an Aritzia tracksuit, which love, but that was a birthday gift. So this is my first time actually purchasing something myself. So I'm excited. This is me thinking about if I should film this for TikTok also, which I probably should. Let me film this little unboxing for TikTok as well. Gotta get the content for all platforms, you know? I ended up getting the Divinity Flare jumpsuit. So it's the one piece and it has the flare at the bottom, but it's a tank top. Unfortunately, I kind of wish it was a long sleeve because it is wintertime, but I'm just always gonna have to wear something over it. But yeah, I got the flare pant one. I still want the one that's just regular leggings with the tight ankle, so I can wear it with like boots and stuff. And then I ended up getting these slouch socks from Sunday Best because shipping was $7.50, but these socks were $8. So girl math, just get another item so you don't have to pay for shipping. Also, I'm just realizing this says for shoe size 4.5 to 7. I wear a size 8, but we move. I'm excited for this jumpsuit. Actually, let's try it on real quick. Let's try this on. So here is the jumpsuit. It's so cute, so comfortable. I wish it was like an inch longer. I prefer for it to be like that, but it's so cute. Okay guys, I just came back from the gym, but my room's kind of a mess. I'm gonna be decorating tomorrow, decorating my room. So I kind of want to clean my room from now so that tomorrow I could just start decorating. I don't have to clean and then decorate. I'm not really in the mood for that. But let's do some stuff. I don't know why I said let's 80 times. It's currently 9:55 and I just finished tidying up my room finally. Everything is pretty clean. I also ended up decluttering and reorganizing the top of my closet. I didn't show you it before, but this looks real good for the after. It's almost 10 o'clock now, so I'm about to get in the shower and finish planning the rest of my Vlogmas content. So that's how I'm ending my night, and that is pretty much it for this week's video. I'm gonna be decorating my room tomorrow, so I'm so excited. I need to film my Vlogmas intro, which I think I'm also filming tomorrow, so I'm excited. A little nervous, but I'm excited. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next week, Friday, which is Vlogmas Day 1, with another video. Bye.